South Africa is watching closely as developments unfold in the tragic murder of Warwick DJ Warras Stock. Today, Christmas Eve 2025, a key suspect appeared in court in Johannesburg, and the case has drawn intense public attention. We're breaking down every detail you need to know, from the arrests, the court proceedings, the funeral, and what this means for justice. Stay with us. Warwick Stock, known to millions as DJ Warras or the Shady Lurker, was a beloved South African DJ, radio and TV personality, podcaster, and entrepreneur. With over 15 years in the industry, his voice was familiar to listeners on stations such as YFM and 5FM, but beyond entertainment, DJ Warras had become a community figure, running a security and building management company, and trying to tackle crime and hijacked buildings in Johannesburg CBD on the 16th of December 2025. He was gunned down in broad daylight outside Zambezi House in the Johannesburg Central Business District, a shocking incident that sparked national outrage and grief. Today, the 24th of December 2025, a key suspect in DJ Warras's murder appeared at the Johannesburg Magistrates Court. The man, Victor Mthethwa Majola, was brought before the court on charges including premeditated murder and conspiracy to commit murder. The state is opposing bail, treating this as a very serious offense. The matter has now been postponed to the 6th of January 2026, when Majola will formally apply for bail.
I also confirm, Worship, that I do have instructions to bring an application for bail on behalf of the accused. We don't have an objection if this matter is postponed for purpose of formal bail application, since there is a Schedule 6 offense. I just have two issues to place on record. My instruction is that the accused doesn't have any previous convictions or pending matters, no outstanding warrants of arrest. Those are my instructions, just to place on record. Further to that, Worship, my further instructions are that this accused seeks medical attention. He instructs me that when he was arrested on Monday, he was assaulted by the police and he suffered serious injuries on his body, on his hands, and some other parts of his body. Worship, on that basis, he seeks medical attention. Worship,
Until then, he will remain in custody, although two suspects were arrested earlier this week. During today's proceedings, the case against the second suspect appears to have been withdrawn due to lack of evidence, meaning Majola was the only person to stand before the judge today. On the 22nd of December, Gauteng police conducted a pre-dawn operation at Morafe Hostel in Soweto, where two suspects were taken into custody and charged in connection with DJ Warras's killing. National and provincial leaders praised law enforcement for the swift police action with the Gauteng government, saying these arrests send a strong message that violent crime will not go unpunished. Police have said the motive is not yet fully clear, but investigators are looking into DJ Warras's role outside media, particularly his involvement with Zambezi House and other inner-city buildings. In the months before his death, Warras allegedly took out several protection orders after receiving threats linked to his work securing these properties, hinting at possible retaliation from criminal groups. Police continue to examine CCTV footage and intelligence from the building's residents and other sources to piece together exactly. DJ Warras was laid to rest in Johannesburg's Rosebank, with private family and friends paying tribute to his life and legacy. The funeral reflected not just personal grief, but a national sentiment. People mourning a public figure who stood for change and community growth.
Right, Mr. Majola, your case is adjourned until the 6th of January 2026 for address verification, and thereafter then a date will then be arranged for the bail application. You will remain in custody.
Many called for justice and for efforts to dismantle violent crime syndicates that plague the city. Across social media and news outlets, fans, colleagues, and public figures have shared powerful reactions. Many say DJ Warras's murder symbolizes deeper issues: rising violent crime, threats to those fighting urban decay, and the risks faced by those who step up to challenge criminal syndicates. Police and public safety officials have urged citizens to come forward with information to strengthen the case, emphasizing community support is key to securing convictions. We'll be following this story closely right through the next court date and beyond. If you want updates, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let us know in the comments what you think. Should the court grant bail Do you think justice will be served? Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates on DJ Warras's case.